Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage weight loss with Nutrisystem, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin your weight loss journey with Nutrisystem, first, familiarize yourself with the program options available. Choose a plan that best suits your lifestyle and dietary preferences. Next, sign up on the Nutrisystem website and complete your profile. This will help tailor the meal plan to meet your specific needs. After creating your account, select your meals from the wide variety of choices offered. Nutrisystem provides a mix of frozen, refrigerated, and shelf-stable meals. Once you have selected your meals, place your order and wait for them to arrive at your doorstep. When your meals arrive, take a moment to unpack and organize them. Check the expiration dates to ensure freshness and plan your meals accordingly. To effectively manage your weight loss, track your progress regularly. Use a journal or an app to log your meals and physical activity. Incorporate plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and water into your diet along with Nutrisystem meals. This will not only enhance your nutrition but also keep you feeling full. Engage in regular physical activity by finding exercises you enjoy. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week. Connect with the Nutrisystem community for tips and support from fellow members. Utilize the resources available, such as meal plans and recipe ideas. Stay patient and positive throughout your journey, recognizing that weight loss takes time. Adjust your eating habits as needed to find what works best for you. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your weight loss with Nutrisystem. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, to keep yourself motivated. Remember, consistency is key to seeing lasting results. Stay committed to your goals, and over time, you will achieve the success you desire. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.